Somebody asked, how does Google Wallet make money? How does Google Wallet make money? If you are not aware, Google Wallet is just basically a digital wallet that you can use to carry around your various cards, debit cards, credit cards, transport passes, loyalty cards, and all, even IDs in certain regions. But Google offers this for free of charge to users. So how do they make money? They make money through transaction fees, partnerships, and integration with Google's broader ecosystem. Merchants and financial institutions pay Google for processing, advertising, and data-driven services, while Google Wallet strengthens loyalty from users to the Google platforms. So that's the trade-off that we have there. For users, it's basically for free, but there are transaction fees that Google charges merchants and businesses for processing payments through Google Pay and Google Wallet. These fees are similar to what Visa and MasterCard charge themselves. Then they also collaborate with banks, card users, and fintech companies. These partnerships generate revenue through shared transaction fees, integrations, and co-branded services. Then, while Google Wallet itself doesn't sell user data, aggregated transactions insights help Google refine its advertising ecosystem, which basically helps business better target users with their advertising, and Google earns from the ad revenue. So there is basically, while Google Wallet is for free, there is a cross-pollination or cross-platform way of generating money for Google at the end of the day.